On my previous video guys, we talked about on how to avoid Bitcoin mixer scams and we explained on how to avoid these scams. We kept it simple and short, but after I made that video, it seems as though those scammers I called out on YouTube took it personal and stole my video, and it's actually quite hilarious. They made a slight changes on the video that they stole from me to make it look like it's focused on a one specific Bitcoin mixers that I mentioned on the top 3 Bitcoin mixers to use video. Now, this channel that you are seeing right now produces contents to deceive and scam you. Avoid them at all costs. I think it's quite obvious that stealing videos is already sketchy enough, but guys, please understand that we're not associated with these sketchy people. Our channel's main purpose is to help the community and help people avoid scams and to help people get more knowledge about the crypto space. Now, as you can see on the videos they stole from me, they added a link on the bottom right corner. Now, it may look like a typical Bitcoin mixer, but really, all they did was they linked their own fake Bitcoin mixers on my video to make it look legit. Here's a comparison between the legit mixers and the fakes. As you can see, the links and site look identical as the real ones that are proven to be working. These people impersonate real Bitcoin mixers to avoid any suspicion and to gain your trust. Always do your research to avoid being a victim on this type of scams. Now, to those people who are out scamming people, here's my message to y'all. Do better. Alright?